Struggling with poor soil, slow growth and late harvest? The solution is here. It's IQ Clear, the triple-action powerhouse that conditions soil, supercharges plants and accelerates ripening, guaranteeing you better yields and earlier profits. Soil conditioner, foundation of success. Dead soil means dead profits. IQ Clear's microbes and organic compounds rebuild soil structure, unlocking nutrients, improving water retention, and setting the stage for explosive growth. BIOSTIMULANT Plant Performance Boost. It doesn't just feed plants, it activates their natural potential. Enhanced root development, stress resistance, and nutrient uptake mean healthier crops no matter the conditions. RIPENING Accelerator Profit Multiplier. Potassium-optimized for faster, more uniform ripening. Harvest 7 to 10 days earlier, capture premium market prices, and leave competitors behind. Why farmers choose IQ Clear? Higher yields, more tons per acre, season after season. Early market access, first to sell equals best prices. Sustainable edge, reduce synthetic inputs, meet eco-demand. Don't just grow crops, dominate the market. Try IQ Clear today and turn your fields into profit machines.